Hey guys, so I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks now. I've had the worst flu ever. I still have it at the minute, so I sound super snotty. I'm probably going to cough loads in this video, so it's going to be like really sliced up and everything. But I had to do a video today because it's been so long and I literally still have Halloween ones to show you. So today we are going to look at Japan Craze. I do have a new Facebook page for anyone that wants to go and follow that, so I'll put it down in the description. I asked on there which one people would prefer to see first, and this is the one that won. So Japan Craze is what we are going to do today. This is the October Halloween box, which is amazing, and I think it's $49.95. They ship worldwide. I'm going to assume that shipping is on top of that, so it is quite expensive. But in this you get between 18 and 20 snacks, a drink and some Kit Kats, and Japan has like 7 million different kinds of Kit Kats, so the ones that like you don't get in your country usually. So yeah, we're just gonna open this and see what is in here. Now usually when I do a food box I do try the snacks with my boyfriend. Because I'm so sick, I'm not gonna try them today just because eating will make me cough so much. So maybe at a later point we might do like a live stream or another video trying these, something like that. But today I'm just going to show you what is in the box. So right on the top there was a little thing that says you've been tricked. So this was the trick or treat kind of Japan crate. And I think that these are the trick. Not really sure how they are the trick, but they are little stickers. So this one is a little, like the ring girl sat in a hairdresser's. And it says, okay, so we've got the whole edgy thing ongoing here. We can work with this, we can work with this. So that is the first sticker. And then next we have two guys in demon masks. And this one says, wreaking havoc together and wrecking noodles together. And then this one is a little Pokemon one, and it says, harassed by Pokemasters since 1996. So that is our little sticker tricks that we got apparently. And then we get on to the crate. So this is what it looks like inside. You get a little booklet, and that is what I can see on the top. So it says this is the October box and the theme for it is Spookfest. And then it tells you about all of the different snacks that you get in there. I'm not going to read off that because I'm just going to show you them. But it does tell you what they are in English in case you don't read their language. So the very first thing right on the top is some crisps. It's a pretty big bag, honestly, and these are called Aerial Puffs. Apparently they are crunchy corn with mellow sour cream and rich onion flavour. So that is our first item, big bag of crisps. They definitely sound pretty good. And then next we have this very cute little chocolate looking stick, and this one is called Shimmy Choco Corn Stick. It says it's even better than Magic Wand. This snack is oozing with creamy chocolate flavour that mysteriously melts in the mouth with each bewitching bite. So it's like a little corn stick that is chocolate flavoured. Next we have these little candies, and they either look like they could be something that's chili flavoured or something that's fizzy with the little bubbles maybe. So these are cola candies. So for these it says these are a large size hard candy that have a strong carbonated fizzing effect in the mouth. Sounds pretty exciting. That is some cola candies. Next we have some little cookies, and these are literally just called petite chocolate cookies, and it just says that they're soft chocolate cookies. They look really good. On the back there is a little picture where it looks like the inside is kind of filled with chocolate, so they look amazing. Next we have these ones. These ones look like a strong kind of chocolate or coffee or something, because there's a little cup up here and they are quite a dark sort of colour. These are called ABC Cacao Cookies. So it says they are a rich chocolate flavour, and they are engraved letters in an old ornate font. So maybe on each cookie it has a different letter or something, I'm not really sure, but these are like a rich, maybe dark chocolate kind of cookie. ABC. Next we have this. Now we didn't get a drink this month, I'm assuming this was instead of a drink, and this is called kabocha potage. I'm probably pronouncing that so wrong, but this is apparently a 12 kinds of autumn vegetable soup sort of thing. So it's kind of like a pumpkin soup and other vegetables as well. It's in this little tin. It's so cute. We don't get them here like this in the UK. They come in like tins with like a pull ring. This has like a screw cap. I'm actually pretty excited to try that. I'm assuming you obviously have to warm it up first. I will anyway, whether you're supposed to or not, because I don't want to eat it cold. But that is a little soup tin. Next we have these cute little koala biscuits. So I've had very similar ones to this in the past. I've had I think they're called like Hello Panda and stuff, and they're like a little biscuit with cream stuff inside. So these ones are called Koala's March. It says they are a salty sweet type of savoury butter and sugar white chocolate combined into a mini bite-sized koala shaped cookie. I didn't know that they would be a savoury kind of thing. I don't think the Hello Panda ones or whatever they're called are. They're just like chocolate flavour. So these are a butter and white chocolate flavour apparently, which sounds pretty interesting. So that is the little koala cookies. I apologise, I sound so snotty by the way. I know that it's disgusting, but I literally, it just won't go away. It's been weeks. So if you have any tips for a cold, please feel free to let me know. Next we have this. Now this looks like it's either going to be spicy or sour. It's got like a little crying face over here. So this is a sour plum bar of gum apparently. It's got extreme sourness and a salty Japanese plum taste. Not sure how I feel about that, but maybe interesting. So that is our little gum. Next we have these over here. These are like Pocky, I think they're called. These say they're called Porricky pretzel sticks, and the flavour is German potato. On the front here there is like little hams and onions and stuff, so I'm not sure if there's other flavouring to this, but I don't know what German potatoes are, so maybe that is a dish. But these are little pretzel sticks in there anyway. Next we have this one. I'm going to assume this is grape because of the little grape on the front and it being purple, and I love grape. So this one is a roll candy. It's grape flavoured, and it just says find out the length of this candy roll. So I don't get much from that. I'm going to assume it's kind of like a fruit roll-up sort of thing in a grape flavour. So we've got one of those. Then next we have this little guy. This is definitely more of a Halloween themed thing, I would say. This is zombie chewing gum. It turns your entire mouth dark blue, and again it's grape flavoured, so that is pretty cool. Little tongue painting grape chewing gums. Then we have this, which just looks like a little cookie. So this is called King's Forgotten Thing, and apparently it's a butter and milk chocolate cookie. So that sounds pretty good. Pretty usual, I would say. Very cute. Then we have what looks like another chocolate kind of cookie here. This one is, ooh, gateau chocolate apparently. It says someone must have put a spell on these gateau chocolate cookies because they magically get more delicious with every bite. So again, just some little chocolate cookies. Then we have some other gum. This one literally says on it cola bubble gum, so I'm going to assume that is exactly what that one is. I know it's very bright. I don't know why the camera is doing that. But yeah, that's just a little bar of cola gum. And then we have 3 things left. So we have these rainbow little strips. They look like they're going to be fizzy. Okay, so these don't seem to be in this book, but there is something in here called Rainbow Fruit Monster, which has a different picture, so I'm going to assume that's what this is. It says it's a chewy rainbow flavoured candy that gives you a sour shock and a fruity surprise. So I guess that's what this is. The picture is different, but this is what that looks like. So little fruity sour strips. Then we have one of these little like kits where you make something. So this one is a colourful gummy experiment, apparently. It says you can be a mad scientist this Halloween and brew up things in the gummy lab. So this makes little gummy candies in a mould, basically. You like mix it with water and stuff and do it yourself. These are really expensive in the UK. These can be like £15 to buy sometimes, so that's pretty cool. One of those. And then the biggest last item is our Kit Kats. And we got a bag of mint Kit Kats. I have never had a mint Kit Kat, so I'm pretty excited to try those. In here there is 11 mini chocolate bars, like mini little ones. So yeah, that was everything in Japan Crate. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will put all the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. You'll have to let me know if you want to see us trying these, me and my boyfriend, if you want us to do like a live on Facebook or on Instagram, or if you want a video on here. Whatever is best, let us know. If not, then that is fine. And hopefully after the next few videos that I'm filming today, I will no longer sound like this. I apologise, I know it's gross, I just needed to do the videos. But yeah, if you're not already, then please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.